SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for super microcomputer stock. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, this is a bullish market. I mean, before I get into that, I'm the only guy in the space with 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience all documented. And when I'm saying this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, it's all on my YouTube channel and no one else has come even close to doing that volume. I don't think it gets even simpler with SMCI. If you watch any of my videos before yesterday, the price, yeah, went up, but it never gave me the exact confirmation that I wanted to see. Therefore, I never bought. And, you know, because it's just, at that point, it's just forcing trades. I myself would only really buy if the price came down and gave me a proper shift. You can see, like, if I come here with SMCI, I also got about 99. Oh yeah, this is good. I have like 99 receipts in this Discord as well. So there's not lack of coverage on SMCI, and all these links you see just some previous longs that I've been calling out from beforehand. And for example, look at this video. At the time, it was sitting at decent, was it 30? Yeah, it was $33 just 2 months ago, and now we're freaking 60. So if you want to stay tuned with SMCI and get free stock picks and money making emails, click the first link in the description. It's free.